Hi, today we will discuss about this Bank Nifty Excel sheet trading, how using 3 minutes at 10:45 each trading day, we can earn around 940 rupees or INR 1940 rupees or occasional jackpot trading up to 5k to 7k, maximum 2 to 3 days in a month. See, in this Excel sheet, every day at 10:45, you have to put three data set: high low between 9:15 to 9:45, 9:45 to 10:15, and 10:15 to 10:45. Basically you have to put 30-minute candlestick, three 30-minute candlestick, high low, the first three candlestick. Obviously, as you can see, there is nothing now, all this blank. Here you will find the trade, all the level and the plan, whether we should trade today or not, everything. Once we will put the data here. Now today we will discuss about the last Friday, that is 29th November trade. Let's open the Bank Nifty chart. As you can see, this is the 30-minute candlestick chart of the Bank Nifty, and we have to take the high and low of this first, second, and third candlestick. Once we will put these three candlesticks high and low in that Excel sheet, the level for the day will automatically generate. Now for the sake of time, I already put down all those high and low. The high end was 32117.80 and the low was 32032.35. First candle. Second candle, the high was 32049.55 and the low was 31984.10. The third candle high was 32066.60 and the low was 31994.70. Now once we put down all those data, now we have to feed this data into this Excel sheet. Simple. Let's feed the data. 32117.80 sorry, 32032.35, 32049.55, 31984.10, and the last data 32066.60 and the low 31994.70. Also we will put the date here, 29/11/2019. That's it. At 10:45 you have to spend just 2 to 3 minutes putting this data. Once you will put the data, you will find all these trade and levels here. As you can see, the dates coming the 29th, and the trade today. Yes, there is a trade, and the trade is for 50 point. Remember, we will either trade for 50 point or 100 points, sorry, if it is not a jackpot day. Now today, sorry, the Friday, last Friday was a short trade. We have to sell short or sell below 31981 with stop 32055 and target 31931. Let's see what's happened in the chart. As per the Excel level, the sale was below 31982. The stop loss was 32055, sorry, and the target was 31931. As you can see, the trade was triggered around 10:45 candle. This is just the next candle of the first three candles. You have taken data up to this point. Now your trade has executed after a couple of minutes, and very soon in next candle your target was achieved. So overall you earned a profit of 50 point. You entered at 31981 and you covered at 31931. So you earned 50 points. That means INR 1000 and minus 60 rupees as commission, that is INR 940. This was the trade and this was the income for last Friday. Thank you for watching.